Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today on the Nighthawk we're going to be restoring the gas tank. I need to rebuild the petcock because I noticed that's leaking. Obviously it needs a new paint job, but I'm going to replace the gas cap as well. We're doing a total facelift on this gas tank, so stay tuned. Cheers. Before we get started, I want to just mention that you guys should hit that subscribe button, hook a brother up, help the channel grow, help yourself not miss an upload. Alright, stay tuned. Cheers. Oh boy. The filter, like, shockingly, actually doesn't look that bad. So that's good news. Well, the gas coming out looks good, so that's great news. Alright, we got our petcock rebuild kit here. Looks like just some gaskets and a diaphragm, so that checks out. And a spring, okay, and an O-ring. Okay, got that in there. Take this one out now. I really cannot get it in there, dude. Oh, it's so close though. Come on. Can get in the hole.
That's what she said.
Finally got that in there. Okay, let's not forget the spring this time. I first installed this diaphragm upside down. I had it pointing towards the tank. You want it pointing away from the tank. If you're following this to redo your own petcock, make sure you have, this is how it should look. Fuel line going that way, and then your vacuum line pointing down towards the ground. Okay, it's looking like it took some paint off, but not all of it, so a little bit of a letdown. Oh wow, this was the way to take the sticker off though, my goodness. That was really satisfying. Okay, quick update. I left that paint stripper on for about 17 or 18 hours. I think I could have left it on for longer. As you saw, it's definitely stripped away most of the paint in some areas, but in other areas it didn't get down to bare metal. But that's okay, I'm gonna just sand it all over and it's not gonna matter. But yeah, so now we're gonna sand the tank and get it ready for painting, so stay tuned. Cheers. Okay, so quick update. I ended up, after all that sanding you just saw, I ended up putting more of the paint stripper on here for about another day. And this is where we're at now. All the paint's almost gone. I gotta do a little bit more sanding. smooth it all out, and then once I've done that, we'll be ready for painting.
Nice.
Oh my god, this is annoying. Literally, why? Why does this have to be on here? Okay, we got that weird blue peel wrap off of the gas cap. That was super annoying. I get why it's on there, but yeah, whatever. So now we're gonna install this on the gas tank. Stay tuned. Okay, here's my gas tank emblems. Here's kind of a sneak peek of the side panel stuff, and then the front and rear fairing stickers. Those will be in a future video. These are going to go in the gas tank. That's the hardest part, is getting it off the wax. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway for members only. I want to try something a little bit different. So all you have to do to become a member is you click the join button. I've got 3 different levels, and then you'll be eligible for giveaways like this behind me. I'll put it on the screen while it's all available. It's going to be kind of like a cafe racer build starter pack, if you will. So it's going to be a set of control switches left and right, and then a cafe racer seat, and then I'll throw in the new Moto merchandise that I got. I'll throw in a mug of that, and then a super clean hat that I got from the last giveaway. So that will all be part of the package. As this channel grows, the packages will be better. That's my goal. I want to just do cool giveaways for you guys, but also to help me and to help the channel grow. So if that interests you at all you have to do is click the join button, pick which level you want to be, and you get other perks along with that as well. You know, access to this giveaway, but then there's a ton of other perks you can go check out when you click the join button. So check that out. All right, cheers. Alright, that's going to do it for today's episode. We got the gas tank totally restored. I think it looks really awesome. That was my first time doing that kind of sticker decal thing, and I think it turned out well, especially because I just did it by eye. Stay tuned for more on this project. It's coming along. I'm so stoked on it. Still feels like there's a lot to do, but we're getting very close. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.